Hello friends, welcome to Samu Studies. In this video, we are going to see from JSON function, how we can convert a string of a JSON structure to a struct type in Scala. So this from function converts a string of a JSON structure in map type or struct type. We have seen how we can convert to map type in my previous video. Now let's convert into the struct type. In this exercise, all the codes are same. Okay, I have just explained each and everything in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, go and watch it. The only difference is this uh, schema. Earlier it was map type. Now it would be a struct type. So let's go and do the exercise. I will copy the whole code from my previous exercise to save time, and I will show you how you can convert a string of JSON type to a struct type column from with the help of a from JSON function. Let's go to the Databricks. Let me create one notebook. Name it from JSON to struct type. Let's connect it to our running cluster. Let me copy the whole code. This will going to import all the required libraries. This is creating the data. This is creating the data frame. This is creating struct type. That's all. Let's run this code one by one. So all the required libraries has been imported in this notebook. Let's create the data. Data has been created. Let's create the data frame. Data has been created successfully. Let's display this data frame. We can see this AP marks is a string of JSON structure. Now what I am going to do, I am just creating a column, this column, with the help of this AP math marks column. This AP math marks column is of string of JSON type, and here the data type would be a struct type, and this is an of array of what. Or let's define the one custom data types. It would be better. How we are going to define the custom schema or data types? So AP marks schema. How you are going to create the schema with the help of a struct type. In the struct type, there could be a multiple struct field. In this struct field, the name is AP math marks, which is of string type. Second is the struct field. Name of the column is AP science marks, and the column data type is of string type. Let's run it. This custom schema has been created. Now this here, instead of this writing all those things, now what we need to do, just put this custom schema. So let's run it first. Let's see it's working or not. Okay, this has been successful. So what I'm just doing, I'm creating a column on top of this data frame with the help of a with column, and I'm going to populate this data, the data in this column with the help of from JSON function, and it is taking the column which has a string, but the structure is of JSON, and we are converting into a struct type column. So let's see the structure. Not a structure, let's display the data. We can see this column has been created, and it is getting stored with the help of an object. This object is nothing but is of a struct type, and these are the two columns of this struct type. If you want to see the schema, we can see with the help of a print schema. We can see this AP marks is of a struct type, and this is of a string type, and this column is of string type. Let's go to the PPT. Now here we will we have seen. Now let's fetch the data from a struct type column. So we have done in the previous. Let's copy the code. We will modify something. Okay, let's create it. Let's type the code. It will be better. Let's create a data frame. How we are going to do it? How we are going to do this exercise to fetch the data from the struct type column? I am creating first a column with the help of a with name. Name is AP math marks. How I am going to populate this value? I am going to populate this value by fetching column. Name of the column is AP math marks. This is of a struct type, and it has also a column known as AP math marks. So with the help of a dot operator, we can fetch the value. Let's create one more column. Name it as science marks. Science, and the column would be this science marks. So let's put here. Let's run it. So this data frame has been created successfully. Let's display it. Now we can see this is column of struct type. How the data we are fetching in AP math marks, it is getting 98 because the value here is 98, and the AP science, the value is 90. That's why it's fetching 90. So we have seen here how we can convert a string of a JSON type into a struct type column with the help of a from JSON function, and how we can fetch the data of a column which is of a struct type. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.